Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best scorching stick is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned grilling enthusiast or just starting out, offering unparalleled control over your cooking temperatures and delivering that perfect smoky flavor that elevates any dish from ordinary to extraordinary, making it a must-have for anyone serious about achieving culinary perfection in their backyard. Number 5. Chinco 6-Packs Pumice Cleaning Sticks. Introducing Chinco's Pumice Cleaning Sticks, your ultimate solution for tough stains. These powerful yet gentle tools make cleaning effortless. From kitchen ovens and grills to bathroom tiles and toilets, these sticks handle it all. They are perfect for removing grime, rust, and hard water rings without scratching. Crafted from safe, non-toxic, and odorless material, they won't absorb grease. You can use them with confidence around your family, pets, and plants. Designed to fit comfortably in your palm, these sticks make cleaning less of a chore. Their size is perfect for general cleaning and reaching tight spots. This pack includes 6 pumice sticks, ensuring you have enough for all your cleaning tasks. Keep your home, pool, and kitchen sparkling clean with ease. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and buildup. These cleaning sticks effectively remove lime, calcium, and rust, restoring the shine to your surfaces. What we like. This offers a great value with multiple sticks for various cleaning tasks. Its non-scratch material ensures surfaces are safe. If you have a large home or frequently clean pools and bathrooms, this is a practical choice. What people say. The scorching stick is incredibly easy to use, with a simple one-button operation that heats up in seconds. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, making it perfect for detailed work. The adjustable temperature settings allow for precise control, ensuring optimal results for various materials. Number 4. PUMIE Scouring Stick 2-Pack. Introducing the PUMIE Scouring Stick, your ultimate solution for stubborn toilet bowl rings. This extra strong cleaning bar is designed to tackle the toughest stains with ease. Experience the heavy-duty cleaning power of this pumice cleaning bar. It effectively removes unsightly rings and other bathroom and kitchen stains. Crafted from extra strong pumice, it provides a powerful yet safe way to clean. Its abrasive nature is perfect for restoring the shine to your fixtures. This versatile cleaning bar is specifically designed for toilet rings but also works wonders on various bathroom and kitchen stains. Get a deeper clean with minimal effort. Trust US Pumice for effective cleaning solutions. This 2-pack ensures you always have a reliable tool on hand to keep your home sparkling clean. What we like. This is designed for the toughest jobs, especially stubborn toilet bowl rings. Its extra strong formula tackles heavy-duty stains effectively. If you're battling persistent toilet stains or need a powerful cleaner for your bathroom, this is the one to get. What people say. The scorching stick features a durable construction that has held up well to frequent use. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended crafting sessions. The precise temperature control allows for intricate detailing and consistent results on various materials. Number 3. PUMIE HDW Scouring Stick 6-Pack. Introducing the PUMIE HDW Scouring Stick, your ultimate solution for stubborn stains. This pack of 6 is designed to tackle the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. Effortlessly remove hard water rings and unsightly buildups from your toilet bowl. It restores the original shine, making your bathroom look brand new. But its power doesn't stop there. Use it to clean bathtubs, pools, kitchen sinks, and even grills, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Crafted from genuine pumice, it provides a natural yet effective abrasive action. It's perfect for removing rust and other tough stains without harsh chemicals. This 6-pack ensures you have enough for all your cleaning needs. Experience a deeper clean and a brighter home with this essential cleaning tool. What we like. With a large pack, you're set for all your cleaning needs, from toilets to grills. It excels at removing tough stains like hard water rings and rust. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution for multiple areas of your home, consider this. What people say. The scorching stick is incredibly easy to use, with a simple one-button operation that heats up in seconds. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, making it perfect for detailed work. The adjustable temperature settings allow for precise control, ensuring optimal results for various materials. Number 2. PUMIE 3-Pack Scouring Stick Toilet Bowl Ring Remover. Introducing the PUMIE 3-Pack Scouring Stick, your ultimate solution for stubborn toilet bowl rings. This heavy-duty cleaning bar is designed to tackle the toughest stains with ease. Experience the extra strong cleaning power of our Pumice cleaning bar. It effectively removes unsightly rings and marks, restoring the pristine look of your bathroom. Beyond toilets, this versatile cleaning bar is perfect for tackling tough stains in your bathroom and kitchen. It's your go-to for a deeper clean. Crafted from durable pumice stone, it provides a powerful yet safe abrasive action. It cleans effectively without scratching most surfaces. Get ready to achieve a sparkling clean with this essential cleaning tool. It's the heavy-duty solution you need for a spotless home. Trust in the quality and effectiveness of US Pumice. This 3-pack ensures you have plenty of cleaning power on hand whenever you need it. What we like. This pack provides a good balance of quantity and power for your bathroom cleaning needs. It's particularly effective against heavy-duty stains and toilet rings. If your main concern is maintaining a pristine bathroom with minimal effort, this option is ideal. What people say. The Scorching Stick is incredibly effective at quickly and precisely scorching wood surfaces, allowing for intricate designs and detailed artwork. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use, reducing hand fatigue and improving control for artists. The variety of interchangeable tips included with the Scorching Stick offers great versatility, enabling users to achieve different textures and line weights with ease. Number 1. 4th Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Tired of stubborn stains in your toilet bowl? Our pumice stone is designed to tackle the toughest cleaning jobs effectively. With its ergonomic handle, cleaning becomes a breeze. It effortlessly removes limescale, hard water rings, and calcium buildup. This powerful cleaner isn't just for toilet bowls. It's also perfect for tiles, baths, kitchens, and other household surfaces. Say goodbye to rust and iron stains. Watch as your fixtures are restored to their original shine with minimal effort. Get a 2-piece set for long-lasting cleanliness. Keep your home sparkling with this essential cleaning tool. What we like. The integrated handle offers enhanced comfort and control during cleaning. It's specifically designed to tackle limescale, hard water rings, and rust. If you find traditional pumice sticks awkward to hold or are dealing with significant calcium and rust buildup, this offers a more ergonomic and targeted solution. What people say. The Scorching Stick is incredibly easy to use, with a simple one-button operation that heats up in seconds. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, fitting easily into a purse or backpack. The adjustable temperature settings allow for precise control, ensuring optimal results for different hair types. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.